Learn to read English Video 1. Short A words, including Benchmark First Grade, Unit 1, Week 1. Vowels. English has 5 vowels. Vowels are letters that make you open your mouth wide. A, E, I, O, U. Here are the short vowel sounds. A, I, ah, In this movie, we will practice words that have the short A sound. When a vowel is blocked by a consonant, it is shy. It makes its short sound. A, B, A, B, ab. Let's practice these words. K, ab, cab. Ol, ab, lab. T, ab, tab. B, ack, back. Ol, ack, lack. P, ack, pack. Qu, ack, quack. Ack, rack. S, ack, sack. Let's practice the words you learned. Cab, lab, tab. Back, lack, pack, quack, rack, sack. Here come some more words. B, add, bad. It tastes bad. D, add, dad. F, add, fad. H, as, has. She has the ice cream. H, add, had. She had the ice cream. Ol, add, lad. A young boy. Add, mad. P, add, pad. The frog is on the lily pad. S, add, sad. B, ag, bag. Ag, rag. S, ag, sag. W, ag, wag. Let's practice these short A words. Bad, dad, fad, had, lad, mad, pad, sad. Bag, rag, sag, wag. Here comes some more. Am, ham. J, am, jam. Am, ram. Am, yam. An, can. An, fan. An, pan. An, ran. An, tan. An, van. App, cap. App, map. App, nap. App, sap. At, bat. At, cat. At, fat. At, hat. At, rat. At, vat. Let's practice those words again. Ham, jam, ram, yam, can, fan, ran, tan, van, bag, rag, sag, wag, cap, map, nap, sap, bat, cat, fat, hat, rat, vat. Good job! You learned so many words. See you next time.